Did you know a harmless-looking grandfather once terrorized America by sending families letters describing exactly how he murdered and ate their children? Albert Fish appeared to be just another 65-year-old man, but he was actually one of history's most twisted killers. Between 1924 and 1932, Fish confessed to eating parts of at least 100 children. His most shocking crime involved 10-year-old Grace Budd. After kidnapping and killing her, Fish waited 6 long years before sending her family a detailed letter describing how he lured her away, murdered her, and consumed her body over 9 days. This letter became his downfall. Investigators traced the stationery back to a boarding house where Fish had stayed. During his trial, Fish claimed God's voices commanded him to kill children. To prove his twisted nature, he showed X-rays revealing dozens of needles he had inserted into his own body for pleasure. Fish's case remains one of the most disturbing examples of how evil can hide behind the most innocent faces.